Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're back with the twin-turbo Ford Taurus. Now, our customer that came here earlier to the shop a couple days back, he had some problems with his car smelling, actually smelled like weed and bad smoke, and we used our Masterson Strawberry Blast air freshener to clean out the whole interior. Check out that video, I'll put a link in the description below. He loved how great our products work. He picked up a bunch of bottles, but now he wanted us to clean his engine. Now, this car actually got a brand new engine put in, but we're gonna go ahead and clean it because this thing is filthy. The owner lives in the desert. It's got dirt all over it. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a foam cannon engine wash. And we just got a brand new heavy duty gas pressure washer. So I'm gonna show you guys how to foam cannon the engine. Now, what I like to do before I do any engine is look over the engine before I clean it. This one is very dirty. There's dirt here, there's all this dirt, and there's also a lot of dirt up here. And this is actually a twin turbo Ford SHO EcoBoost. Now, if you guys don't know, this is almost the same engine that is in the Ford GT supercar, which is pretty cool. So the first thing I like to do is take a look at this. This normally would be covered, but this is actually an aftermarket intake. So what we need to do is remove this. I went ahead and took our screwdriver, already loosened it up, and I'm gonna just spin this off and pull off the intake. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this aside. And then what are we gonna do here? Now, if you have a car where you took the air filter off and you couldn't cover it, that one was too big to cover, I'm actually gonna shove some microfiber towels right here in the air filter, just right at the front. There we go. I'm really just trying to cover it so foam doesn't get in there. Now, these microfiber towels are gonna do a great job of absorbing any type of foam that might get there. But I still wanna clean the inside of this air box, because look down here, guys, there's like this nasty dirt. I want to try and get that out. Now, this thing has dirt all over it. We're going to show you how to clean it up today. And the first thing I'm going to do is grab our Masterson's Heavy Duty Degreaser. Now, Masterson's Heavy Duty Degreaser is one of the best products you can use to clean the engine. Let me get rid of the screwdriver. There we go, throw it aside. Now, this Masterson's Heavy Duty Degreaser, I've diluted 10:1. It is super strong, and let's spray down the whole engine. So this engine is cool. So if you're detailing an engine, make sure it's cool to the touch. This one is cool to the touch. And we're ready. Let's go ahead and spray it down. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray this bad boy down. It's a little wind right here. There we go. I'm gonna stand on the other side of the wind. What I'm trying to do is pre-soak all the areas that have a lot of dirt, like all the way in the back, all the way at the front. I'm actually gonna spray down a lot in here. There we go. And up here. There we go. Let's try to spray up here. There's a lot of nasty. Look, it's already working. Ooh, that's incredible. Let's let that spray down, Mr. Camera Guy. Okay, I'm trying to get like, I don't want to get downstream of the degreaser because the wind's just blowing it. There we go. Now, if you have a modern engine like this car is a 2013, you really don't need to cover anything because, I mean, this is an all-weather engine. And we're trying to do this really quick at the end of the day. It's super dirty. We're gonna clean this really quick. Let me get my pressure washer ready. So now I got my foam cannon. This is our Masterson's professional foam cannon. I filled it up with our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam. Now, our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam is great for the foam cannon, the foam gun. We're gonna foam this whole engine, so let's get this set up. I got our pressure washer set up right here. Let me take my gun and connect it up right here. It actually comes with the fitting when you purchase it from us, so it's gonna connect right up. Now let me start up my pressure washer. Now that we got it started up, let's spray the whole engine. There we go. Now this car's filthy dirty, so I'm spraying it extra hard on here, guys. There we go. And check this out, guys, coming close. Look at all the foam starting to work down. That's why you could foam cannon a modern engine like this. This is super nice, man. Check this out. And also, if you notice, I sprayed it up here as well. And while it's foamed up, I'm gonna take our Masterson's brush. Look, it's still protecting this. Look at this, guys. Come in close, look. It's still protecting it. It's not even wet. So let's go ahead and scrub this engine. Remember, this is end of the day. Quick wash. There we we go. I love this hose. And look how it's starting to take off this nasty dirt. Here we go. Let's go up here. A lot of this paint is actually stained. We might need to do some hardcore polishing later. But let's just do a quick clean. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, do you see that? Look at that difference already. That's incredible. Oh, wow. This is incredible. Let me grab some more degreaser. This is just amazing. I'm so filthy dirty right now. This is like the most realist detailing you'll ever see on YouTube. Wow, look at the degreaser work. I love this stuff. We might have to come back for a secondary cleaning later, and there was a smaller brush, but today we're trying to see what we can get done in the time we have. We don't have that much time left on this car. We're actually running out of sun. Remember, when you're on a detail job like this, you gotta just work with what you got. It's incredible. It's incredible. Let's spray that some more. It's incredible. Look at that. Wow. It's incredible. Just amazing. But wait, there's more. There's more dirt. Let's spray it on there. This is dope. Engine cleanings, you get dirty, but man, the results are simply fantastic. Remember, guys, I don't even know if we're going to dress this engine. Maybe. We might have to clean out this airbox. But I think that's pretty good. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash the whole engine off. Go. Look at all that stuff down there. Get away, cameraman. Okay, so we finished rinsing off the whole engine. Look how much cleaner the engine looks. This is really already looking factory brand new. It's because that Masterson's degreaser really got in there and cleaned it up. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the microfiber towels that I had stuffed in the intake, and I'm just giving everything a good wipe down, absorbing all the water. The heat right now, this is a nice hot day. It's about 80 degrees out here. So a lot of this is drying just naturally with the heat. Come over here, check this out, guys. Look how we're just cleaning everything out. I'm taking these microfiber towels, I'm gonna wring it out. Oh wow, look at all the water that's coming off of that. There we go. And I'm just giving everything a good wipe down. Now our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam actually conditions the plastic, so we're not even going to dress this plastic. It's just gonna dry and it's gonna look so good naturally. That's what I love. Especially up here too, we're using some clean water. We're actually gonna need to use some heavier clay barring in here with the stains, but it took off about 95% of the dirt. We're just trying to get a clean look right here today before the owner goes away. So this wasn't supposed to be a full engine detail, but just a quick cleanup since the new engine got put in. I know the owner's probably gonna do some more detailing later on, but right now we're already getting some good results. I'm gonna rinse down, there we go. I think everything looks good and dry. Okay, there we go. I'm actually going to take the microfiber out. Check that out. Look, there's actually a sensor right there. You really want to be careful with that sensor. You don't want to mess it up. But look, none of it got wet. That's what I love about this. I'm actually going to dry this whole air box. And that's why I took the filter off. The filter was actually too big to cover, but man, that was so easy just to put in a few microfiber towels. And now this air box is like dry. There we go. This is actually much easier because I would have had to take the filter out anyways to clean under this because so much water travels in here, or I would have had to cover this, but then the car just doesn't look right. Okay, so now I got the air filter. Let's go ahead and slip the air filter back on. There we go. Cool. That's why I love having one of these screwdrivers handy. If you're a detailer, I love having these in your kit because sometimes you might have to pull off an air filter, and look how easy it was for us to do this. No big deal. Let's put it on. Remember, with air filters, you don't need to go very tight, just nice and snug. This one's twin turbo. We don't want it blowing off. You know, there we go. Looks perfect. And then everything just looks good. Now what I like to do after I give an engine like this is I like to start it up and actually like to let the heat of the engine dry itself because there's a little water and little cracks. The engine's gonna heat up and dry itself. So let me go ahead and start this engine and see if it works. So there we go, we started up this twin turbo Ford Taurus. It's running smooth. That's exactly how you can quickly clean your engine using a foam cannon. We sprayed it down, we let the foam cannon do the work, and then we pressure washed off all of the dirt, and it really did look amazing. Now, if you like this video and you want to get all the products we used right here, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car or your engine looking great, including our foam cannon, our Mystic Snow Foam, our heavy-duty degreaser, our brushes, everything. Go over there and use the code YouTube for 10% off your whole purchase right now on our website. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And thanks a lot for tuning in, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.